Okay, I have a Sargent cylinder lock that I received from Roger. Lock does work. Okay, it's locked. This is the bitting on the key. Let's put it in the vise and let's open it up and look at the pins. Excuse the background noise. I have a small air conditioner running to try to keep cool. Okay, let's use top of the keyway, and we're going to use this pick. Let's go all the way to the back. Okay, we're getting a little feedback out of pin 6, I believe it is. Okay, pin 6, pin 5 set just a little bit. Okay, I believe pin 2. Okay, pin 1. Got a little bit more out of pin 6 then. Okay, pin 4, giving us some more feedback. Okay, we lost our false set. We got the false set back. Okay, pin 2. Giving us some feedback. Pin 2 doesn't want to set. Okay, maybe it's set then. Okay, getting some more feedback on pin 1. Let's go to the back to check and see if we got everything set. Still got one pin in the back that's not wanting to set. Feels like we got a little bit more false set. Maybe it... No, we're still getting some feedback. Try a different pick. This one's a little bit deeper. Okay, I believe that was pin 5 then that set. Give us a little feedback on it. Okay, pin 1. Okay, here's pin 1 now. I believe it's set. Okay, we still got okay, pin 1 still not set. Try something a little different on pin 1. Okay, pin 1 I believe set then. And maybe not. Okay, pin 1 set, that's good. Okay. Okay, it's open. I believe that was pin 3. Okay, let's open it up, look at the pins. Alright, let's check our bottom pins. Alright, all the pins are in and working. Pin 1 is serrated. Pin 2 is serrated. Pin 3 serrated. Pin 4 serrated. Pin 5 serrated. Pin 6 serrated. And we all know that the plug is threaded in all pin chambers, don't we? I love these threaded plugs. You can see the threading in every one of them. Alright, let's check our top pins. Okay, there's a serrated type of spool. There's a long spool. See if we can get it out the way it was in. Okay, that's a mushroom type spool. There's another serrated spool. There's just a standard spool. And that's another standard spool. Okay, this is a Sargent lock that I got from Roger, and I repinned it so it would have a little bit more resistance to picking. It had standard pins in it. Okay, number 1, 2, and 3. This is a serrated key pin. There's a long spool, a mushroom spool, and a serrated key pin, and another type of serrated spool. I believe I had it in like this. Yes, the bottom end is smaller, and serrated pin. The last wait a minute, I didn't show you the okay, let's look at this again. Alright, we've seen those. Okay, here they are. Okay, this is a another type of serrated spool. This is a regular standard skinny type spool, another skinny type spool, and all serrated pins on the bottom. So okay, that's what we have in this lock. Okay, I appreciate your time. I appreciate you watching. And please stay out of trouble. And please do not do anything illegal. And thank you very much. I appreciate it.